Hi everyone, welcome to Figgy's Kitchen. Our dish for today is very delicious yet very easy to prepare. Crispy salmon belly. So for the ingredients, we will be needing half cup all-purpose flour, half cup cornstarch powder, 1 medium-sized egg, garlic powder, salt, ground black pepper, 400 grams salmon belly, and water with ice. So, yung salmon na gagamitin natin today is na-prep na siya. I usually use salt and ginger para mawala yung lansa or yung strong fishy smell and taste ng fish. If napanood mo yung sinigang na salmon belly sa video ko, na-share ko doon paano ko ginagawa yung salt and ginger technique. So, if you haven't watched it yet, I'll put the link on the description box below. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing that you need to do is to season your fish with salt, garlic powder, and ground black pepper. I will not give exact measurements for this procedure kasi you can adjust the seasoning depende sa panlasa mo. Leave it for at least 10 minutes para kumapit yung flavor. So, habang minamarinate mo yung fish, you can now start preparing the batter for our crispy salmon belly. So, for the batter, you just have to mix half cup all-purpose flour, half cup cornstarch powder, salt, garlic powder, ground black pepper, and 1 medium-sized egg. Stir continuously and then add some ice-cold water. Konti-konti lang yung pag-add. And dapat, yung water na i-add mo is malamig talaga because this will help in making your salmon belly crispy. Stir continuously until mawala yung mga lumps and yung texture ng batter mo should look like this. Not too runny pero hindi din siya sobrang lapot. Now dip your salmon belly into the batter then fry for 2 minutes each side or until golden brown. After that, your dish is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to like this video. Click the subscribe button and the bell button beside it so you'll be notified every time I upload a new recipe. If you have comments or suggestions or want to request for a recipe, just comment down below. Bye!